What's up, man? We're back with Diana Ankudinova Fly away on the wings of wind. That's an episode, I think 9, right? Yeah, I reacted episode 8. Now we're on a 9. It's fine to subscribe and hit the smash button. 30k subscribers, that's our aim, and let's get started. Fly away on the wings of wind. Wholeness from Borodin's opera, Prince Igor. Yeah, I know Prince Igor, but I don't know this Borodin's opera. It's like people just waiting for this moment. Oh my! Oh! Oh my god, man! Like, yo, this is different. I'm kind of lost this time. This voice, man, it's so rich, you know, it's full of emotions, full of feelings. Like, the way she's singing, it's more like, I can feel the wind. I can feel it. Oh, no. That's crazy. These are the wings. Whoa! Give me chills! We sang freely. You know, we had translation, we had subtitles in the video, but I wasn't able to focus on the lyrics. I wasn't able to focus because I was really lost in the melody. I was lost in her voice. It was like, you know, I can easily recognize her. She's Diana. Her voice, it was like that. But it was just the best live performance to me. Honestly, I don't know. Give me a different feeling, which is hard to describe. I really can't put, you know, this feeling into words. I cannot give them words. It's just really hard for me to explain it how I was feeling inside. But it was more like, you know, I'm really flying. I am flying. I don't have to worry about nothing. You know, I'm free, like I got freedom. I'm flying, you know, up in the sky above the clouds, enjoying this journey. It is magical, honestly. And that's why the song is called Fly Away on the Wings of Wind. She sang it like as if she was flying, you know. It was windy. Beautiful. That's a beautiful, man. Beautiful. And that's it, guys. I hope you like it, share it, and until next time, bye bye.